We will discuss how to solve this question, find out the strategies, and try to solve in correct way. So let's read this question. A motorist makes a journey from Singapore to Malacca to visit his in-laws. Okay. So first journey is Singapore to Malacca. Singapore to Malacca. A journey is distance is 240 kilometers. Average speed is x kilometers per hour. Write down an expression for the number of hours taken for the journey. So time is to find. Okay. On his return journey from Malacca to Singapore, speed is reduced by 6 kilometers per hour. Okay, speed, what is speed? Basically distance is same, so same thing will remove, okay, in the formula. So the game is only in two things, speed and time, and we will get the question answer. Speed is x minus 6. Write down the expression for the time taken for the return journey. If return journey takes, time is taking, if it takes t minutes, then it will t minus longer, plus 20 minutes mean 20 upon 60, so 1 upon 3. Okay, so recall your previous knowledge, and I have only the formula in my mind and nothing else. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So merge this value in terms in this formula. Okay, because distance is same, obviously it will cover, and speed and time. Okay, so in the next page I am going to solve with respect to time, and you can solve with respect to speed, it's up to you. So time formula is equal to distance upon speed. Okay, so what is time? If time is t, so distance is 240 upon x, and in the on return journey, t plus time is this, and 240 is same, and x minus 6. So now we have to find one variable at a time. We cannot find out two variables in an equation. So we will put the value of t. T is 240 upon x plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 240 upon x minus 6. Okay, so take LCM or whatever. So what do you think? I will take LCM here like this. 3x is the LCM, is 240. 3 multiplied by 240 plus 3 cancel. 1 multiplied by x is equal to 240 upon x minus 6. So 240 and multiply by 3 is 720 plus x upon 3x is equal to 240 upon x minus 6. So now cross multiply. 720 plus x into x minus 6 is equal to 720x. Okay, 240 multiplied by 3x is 720x. So 720x minus 720 multiplied by 6 is 4320. Okay, and plus x square minus 6x is equal to 720x. So when we will arrange these values, so 720 and 720 will cancel. Okay, and now equation is minus 6x minus 4320, okay, is equal to 0. I will use calculator here because this term is very high, so we have to save our time. So we will find two values. X is equal to 68.8 and second value will be in minus, so that's why it's neglected. So kilometers per hour. So x minus 6 in return journey is equal to 68.8 minus 6 is 62.8 kilometers per hour. So this is the required answer. Please subscribe this channel, like this video, comment on the comment section and share this video also. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you.